Oh, okay. Net. No way. I felt him eat it right there. He ripped my claw off. No. I knew there was one in there. Need a new craw, but I already needed a new craw, so we'll take it. Yeah, he was right on that drop off. I missed him on the cast before. There's a fish. Yeah, I was coming right down that color change. And I'm like, I thought I felt something tick it. And I'm like, I reeled 5 feet. I reeled another 5 feet. I'm like, I'm still not caught up to my jig yet. But after the last like 4 bites, not getting him, I'm like, I'm going to let him really swim off with it. Because I mean, I set the hook over here and he was over here, you know, to knock the stuff off. I'm down a craw again. Not that that mattered on the last fish, but. Oh, I had one.
Okay. You got him. They eat it.
They got that one, and I have the 5-inch mag draft. And like that thing looks phenomenal. Really don't know why I don't have it on all the time. Looks too good, you know what I mean? Nah.
Oh, he's large. Three?
Yep. We might have 2 that score. Maybe. Ah, damn it. I think he took my Senko. Damn it.
Oh no.
I'm like, that one I felt chew it, you know? I was like, oh, the rod tips bend a little. I'm like, oh, damn it. And it did the same thing to me. So I guess when I get back, I'll chuck some on you. Come on. Get out of here.
Oh, the fuzzy Senko strikes again.
Give me my other Senko back. It was expensive.
Get him on the fuzzy.
Yeah, you said it'd take one more. Unless you're a liar.
I was just looking at it. I think there's some Senko hooks in that box right there.
Didn't really want to go that far up there. Like, okay. Odd.
Jig?
Yeah. Just got whooped up there. Like 2 feet away. No, he tried to take it from me.
Got about 45 minutes of light.
Okay.
I'm guessing it's getting close to about 8:30.
Yeah, it's about there. Oh, okay. Net.
Sure.
Very good. Haven't even gotten him back up yet. Oh, that's a bad angle for me. All right, he's on there pretty good, because if he wasn't, he'd be gone. I'll tell you right now. Yeah, we're good.
Something's growing on the side of him, but
Still a nice fish.
nice fish.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, he was spending there pretty good. I'm like, because he jumped that first time. I'm like, well, I still got him. So usually it's you got him or you don't. Yeah, he was in that fat piece of skin up there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, he wasn't coming off. I don't know. He's got a head on him though. If he didn't have that, he'd probably be like three or 4 pounds. That was nice.
Yeah, what?
I've needed one of those bad after the amount of fish that I've had hit this jig and not eat it. I was like, the rod tip's like bent, like I'm on a rock. Going? Need help? Okay.
Maybe.
All right.
I got him on the wrong side of the end.
Where'd he go? Well, now he's a concussion.
Holy!
It's good though. We're getting him over here.
Yeah.
That's terrible. There we go. He's going out to parts unknown. He's not bad. Thanks. Yeah, probably could have swung him, but I do appreciate it.
I was right here.
You were right there, and he was whooping me for like 5 seconds, so I was like, okay, well, that's totally how I meant to do that. Like, well, he didn't get hurt, and I got my stuff out, so I'll take it.
Yeah.
All's well that ends well and stuff.